Wi-Fi expansions are vital to helping businesses increase operational efficiency while delivering the care and support their customers demand. But too often, businesses don't adequately plan for such expansions or upgrades and find themselves challenged to manage the networks once built. Managing Wi-Fi networks is very time-consuming, especially when they're large and/or dispersed and require specialized knowledge to ensure success. These networks can also be complex to operate correctly and require the right expertise to handle effectively. What's more, many businesses suffer from slow, congested networks, and aging software and hardware can be insecure, non-compliant, and maintenance-intensive, easily leading to costly security breaches and service issues that hamper productivity and profitability. If you want to expand or replace your Wi-Fi footprint and are considering or have other RapidScale services, we offer a solution. RapidScale WiFi Complete, powered by Cisco Meraki, is secure and easily scalable both locally and globally. It allows complete control over your wireless infrastructure. Customers can see their entire network with a geographic overlay, as in this San Francisco location, and the switches at this facility, and specific wireless devices as well. Customers wanting a single pane of glass view over their entire Wi-Fi footprint can log into the RapidScale customer portal. You'll benefit from securely deployed broad dual-band Wi-Fi 6 coverage with the latest, fastest speeds, more granular control over your networks no matter their location, the ability to shift from difficult-to-budget CapEx to predictable monthly OpEx, co-managed and fully managed options to shift burden off your IT team, and our industry-leading 24/7, 100% US-based rapid response support team. Additionally, if you pair Wi-Fi Complete with our SD-WAN services, you can effectively expand your remote access and edge networking support while efficiently utilizing the transport and connectivity services of Cox Business within the expansive Cox footprint or those of your current service provider. To learn how our Wi-Fi Complete services can lighten the load on your IT team while improving your Wi-Fi network coverage, speed, and security, contact us today.